Hello children, welcome back to the next session of online class. Today's memory verse is, I will make you fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men. Matthew 4:19. Okay, let's go into the lesson now. That is Science Term 3. And we are in Unit 2, that is Animal Life. We have already finished the first part, that is Animals in Different Environment. So we have seen animals in different environment, and we have seen what are the animals and what is habitat. Habitat means the living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. So in this habitat they will get the basic needs like food, water, shelter and place to breed. And the habitat can be as big as a forest or as small as a leaf. So it can be a forest big or it can be a small leaf also. So animals live in different conditions. For example, whales live in sea, that is water, and foxes live in forest, that is land. So we have seen land habitat. That is, land is nothing but animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. So also these terrestrial animals are divided into two types, that is plains and forest. So plains means all the domestic animals that live along with us. So rat, cow, camel, hen, etc. all these domestic animals comes under animals that live in plains. Forest, all the wild animals such as deer, fox, bear, etc. all these which are found only in forest. Those are forest animals. And also we have seen water habitat. Water means that live in water are called aquatic animals. So even this is also divided into two types, freshwater and marine or seawater. Freshwater means the animals which are found only in ponds, lakes and rivers. That is fresh, not salty water. That is fresh water. That is called freshwater habitat. Seawater or marine water. So seawater means salty water. So the salt water, only few live in salt water. They cannot live in fresh water, and freshwater animals cannot live in seawater. So we can see here World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. Okay. So water habitat means again two types will be there, freshwater, marine water. Freshwater means pond, lake, rivers. What about seawater? Seawater is nothing but seas and oceans. Only this thing we have learned. And next, aerial animals. Aerial means always they are found flying. So most of the time they will be flying. They are called aerial. Aerial means air, up. Then arboreal animals means always they live on the trees. Monkeys, squirrel, etc. Amphibious animals means they need both land and water. So they are nothing but frog, toad, etc. Okay. So they need both land and water also. Now in today's class we are going to learn how do animals get their foods. How animals get their foods. Okay, see here, first thing, write the foods of given animals using the following words. So here options are carrot, deer, milk, grass, grains. Carrot, deer, milk, grass, grains. So first one is hen. So what is the animal, what is the food for this hen? And second one is cat. So what is the food for it? Can anyone? So try to tell me. Hen eat grains. Cat needs milk. Goat, this one eat grass. And this Rabbit needs carrot and tiger needs deer. So, and we all know that why should animals get food? Because they cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other plant eating animals for their food. So they move in search of food. Okay, they will be moving in search of food because they cannot make their own food. They have to depend on plants or plant eating animals for their food. See here, help the animals to find the food. Use different color for each animal. First one is cat. Cat is finding a mice. Second one, honeybee. What honeybee will be? It is finding honey from the flower. This is squirrel. Squirrel, what it will eat? It will eat fruits. And this is tiger. What tiger will be eating? Deer. So just draw this, okay? With different color, okay? Next, complete the worksheet using the following hints. Tiger, lizard, deer, dove, honeybee, butterfly, goat, fox, squirrel, woodpecker. So grain eating animals are, what are the grain eating which eats grains? Dove and squirrel. Plant eating animals, deer, goat. Flesh eating animals, tiger, fox. Honey eating animals, honeybee, butterfly. Insect eating animals, lizard, woodpecker. Okay children, understood? So write it clearly in your textbooks. The next part of the lesson is classification of animals based on their eating habitat. Already we have learned this. So it will be in detail in this lesson, that's it. Okay, based on their eating habit. Do all animals eat the same type of food? Have you ever seen a lion eating grass or a goat eating meat? No, right? Why do not animals eat all types of food? It is because different animals have different food habits. So all animals need different varieties of food. So all animals cannot eat the same type. Okay, that is why we are now classifying the animals based on their eating habits. Okay, so the first type is herbivorous animals. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. So these are plant eaters. They eat only plants. Deer, giraffe, cow, goat, elephant, etc. Okay, they have sharp, straight-edged, flat front teeth called incisors to bite the grass and leaves. So they have sharp teeth, sharp, straight-edged, okay, and flat front teeth called incisors. Okay, scissors like it will be there, incisors. Okay, with this teeth they can bite the grass and leaves. And elephant is a herbivore, but its front teeth are not flat. So how can we call them? Even that is also an herbivore only. Okay. Now next one, carnivores. Flesh eating animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Example, hyena, tiger, lion, cheetah, seal. So these are flesh eating animal. Only flesh they will eat, not plants. Okay. So these have sharp pointed teeth called canines. What is this? Canines. Okay. So canines, what they will do? They were used to tear the flesh of the animals. So they will tear the flesh of the animals, canines. First one is incisors, that is to cut the grass and all. This is canines. This is to tear the flesh of animals. Okay. Next, omnivores. Omnivores means some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. So these will eat both plants and flesh of other animals. So these animals are called omnivores, omnivorous animals or omnivores. Okay, they eat both plants as well as flesh. Examples: bear, man, crow, hen and fox. So even we are called omnivores. These animals have a combination of tearing, biting and grinding teeth. So three types of teeth we can see: tearing, biting and grinding. Okay, these are the three types of animals based on their food habitats. Okay, see here one book exercise. Animals that hunt other animals are called predators. Okay, animals that are hunted are called prey. So lion is called predator and deer is called prey. Prey is nothing but food. Okay, so that deer is food for lion, that is predator. Okay, deer is a food for prey for lion or tiger, whatever. That tiger or lion is called predator and deer is called prey. Okay, now see here they have given many animals here and three jars are given: herbivore jar, carnivore jar and omnivore jar. Observe the pictures and draw a line to connect them to the appropriate jars. So we have to observe the pictures and draw what is the animal belong to. Okay, first one, elephant. Elephant is herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Herbivore. Fox. Fox is omnivore. This crocodile, carnivore. Lion, carnivore. Bear, omnivore. Giraffe, herbivore. This is goat, herbivore. Crow, omnivore. Cheetah, carnivore. Sheep, herbivore. Hen, omnivore. Cow, herbivore. Man, omnivore. Hyena, carnivore. Okay. Next, an adult elephant can eat up to 136 kg of food in a day. Some of us have colorful fishes in our homes as pets. We keep them in small water tanks known as aquariums. Okay, next. Circle the foods that the animal will eat. You can choose more than one if applicable. First one is lion. Lion eats meat, grass or honey? Meat. Cat. Cat eats grass, rat, milk. So cat eats both rat and milk. Crow. Crow eats nuts and meat. Goat. Goat eats only grass. Okay. Next. From the given diagram, identify which animal group is represented by B and write 3 examples of it. See here. A is eats only plants. C is eats only flesh. Here eats both plants and flesh. Examples: crow, bear, human beings. Okay. Now assignment. See here, let us discuss the following and complete the sentence. Here the examples are, options are given: earthworm, butterfly, mosquito, spider, elephant, lion, hen. So I am dash, I am the king of the forest. I eat animals like deer, zebra and giraffe by hunting them. What is this? I am a female dash, I suck blood from animals, but males of my family feed on plant juices. What is this? I am a dash, I eat cereals, small insects, earthworms, etc. What is this? I am a dash, I suck nectar from flowers. What is this? I am a dash, I eat small insects that fall in my web. What is this? I am a dash, I feed on coconut leaves, plants, sugarcane, banana, etc. I use my trunk to take my food. What is this? I am a dash, I ingest soil with organic waste and microbes. What is this? Okay, you can Write from these options. Already pictures are given, so see the pictures and write from the options and send me through WhatsApp. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you.